Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Ever watch a crime show and see the powerful district attorney calling the shots? You might wonder, is anyone really above them? The answer is yes, but it's a bit more complex than a simple org chart. To understand who's higher, you first need to know that a district attorney, or DA, is typically the top prosecutor for a specific county or judicial district. They handle violations of state law, and in most places, they are elected officials, which means their primary accountability is to the voters who put them in office. They have a massive amount of discretion and power within their jurisdiction. So, who can overrule them? On the state level, the next step up is the state attorney general. Think of the DA as the manager of a local branch, while the Attorney General is the executive for the entire state. The State Attorney General is the chief law enforcement officer for the whole state. They can handle major statewide cases, issue legal opinions, and in many circumstances, they have the authority to take over a local prosecution from a DA's office, especially if there's a conflict of interest or a belief that a case isn't being handled properly. But that's only half the picture, because we live in a system with parallel state and federal courts. District attorneys only deal with state crimes. For federal crimes, like bank robbery, drug trafficking across state lines, or terrorism, you have a completely different set of prosecutors. The federal equivalent of a DA is a United States attorney. There's a U.S. attorney for each of the 94 federal judicial districts in the country. Unlike DAs, U.S. attorneys are not elected, they are appointed by the President of the United States and confirmed by the Senate. So, what's higher than a U.S. attorney? That's a very clear answer: the United States Attorney General. The U.S. Attorney General is the head of the Department of Justice and is the chief law enforcement officer for the entire federal government. They are a member of the President's cabinet and oversee all the U.S. attorneys. So, to recap, it's a two-track system. For state crimes, the state attorney general is higher than the local district attorney. For federal crimes, the U.S. attorney general is higher than the regional U.S. attorney. And in the grand scheme of legal power in America, the U.S. attorney general holds the highest prosecutorial position in the nation. Thanks so much for watching and for wanting to learn more about how our legal system works. I hope this cleared things up for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you won't miss our next video explaining the complexities of the law.